Hi there, it's Spenta, and today I have a garden and Hyacinth update. If you're wondering what Hyacinth is, it's an arrangement of 7 symbolic items whose names start with the letter S, pronounced as sin, which is the 15th letter in the Persian alphabet. Haft means 7. Hyacinth is a display at Nowruz. Nowruz is the Persian New Year's, and it is celebrated on the day of the vernal equinox, marking the beginning of the spring on the northern hemisphere. Today I'm displaying my sabze and sombol with you guys. Sabze, which is wheatgrass, is a symbol of rebirth and growth. Sombol, which is hyacinth, marks the symbol of beginning of spring. So here we are with my 2 S's of Hyacinth, ready to be displayed on my Persian New Year's table. Last year, this hyacinth was planted in this green container and I saw it at a store. Decided to purchase it because green is a color we use at the middle of our table or all around the table. Green's a good color. So we use it during Nowruz and throughout the year also. I decided I'm going to put this hyacinth bulb in the ground on April 15th last year. And as you see, it is March 16th, and today I have a beautiful flower, purple hyacinth. I'm going to add this to my daffodil, and also I will be putting this in my arrangement on my table as well, which is my sabze. Hope you guys enjoyed my video today. This is Spenta. Thanks for being here with me. If you haven't already so, please remember to hit that subscribe button. Hope you guys have a beautiful day.